everyone, it's me FairyElfie, and today's special Halloween video. It's actually a video about how I'm preparing for my specific photo shoot. It will be outdoor, it will be in specific outfit for Halloween, some kind of cosplay. I hope you will like it. Actually, there will be two parts of this video. Maybe it will be all in one video, I don't know yet. But this video, or this part of the video, it will be about my elf costume, or to say it correctly, FairyElfie costume, like literally. This will be a combo of elf and fairy. Perfect. So this video will be kind of vlog. So I'll tell you what I done today. Today morning I wake up very early because there were news in Continue where I live that there will be no electricity since early morning. But as you see, everything is here. I have lights on my videos. But I decided to make it better and wake up very early just to wash my hair, to make it straight until electricity will be off. But okay, so I'm waking up very early, so I'm kind of sleepy and tired. Don't understand what's going on even though it's only 11 a.m. But at least I already did a lot of things. I already did a lot of promo on Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, fancy answer to everyone. I'm tired with all of this. It's really take a lot of energy, especially this promotion, which kinda useless. But for now I'm going to do makeup for my outfit. It will be something tender. Now I'm completely without makeup, so I will put it first my cream for my face to make it moistured. For now I think it's already okay, so I can put my concealer. Actually it's like BB cream / concealer. I think that's not that bad as it could be. So for now let's wait a bit when it will be also a bit drier so I can put on some powder. Okay, for now I guess I can use already a powder to make it not that sparkle. So right after I will put on my highlighter. It's Revolution. Looks very pretty. Next one I will use my blush, also from Makeup Revolution. After that I will use my eyeshadows, brown shadows, to make it not as flat. Alright, after I want to do some eyebrows job, I need to brush it at first. After that I will use this pencil. It's still alive after, I guess I have it over 10 years and I still have it. So, after that I will use wax for my eyebrows to keep it straight. So, you can see difference. So right after I will use eyeshadows. I want to use something pink and cute. on down on my eyes I will put neon pink. After that I will use this glitter. So that's how it will look with sparkles. I think it's very sweet. And also I feel like I need to add a bit purple into this place. So right after I needed to brush my lashes. It looks so beautiful, I like it. And last step, or one of last, it's this lipstick. And besides that, I want to add a bit of arrows. So that's the result. So are you ready to see what outfit I have prepared for it? I will show it to you, but right after I'm going to take it off because I'm going to go on this photo shoot on the top of a mountain, so it will take a few hours to go, and on the hill it will be very exhausting, a lot of sport, so probably it won't be that easy, and I decided not to have a chance to destroy my clothes. It's better to go in simple sport clothes in it. So, first of all, I want to show you my amazing jewelry. It looks so cute, and I ordered it especially for this photo shoot. And after that, I felt like I want to have a lot of different necklaces, earrings, and other accessories, because usually, as you know, I'm not wearing even this or rings, nothing. But this looks so cute. So that's what we got. Looks very beautiful. Just look at this closer. Right after I will take this top on. Oh, that's so nice top. I like it. I think it suits me very good, and white tops, they are the best. I love it. What we will take on after that? Right, the cutest skirt. So that skirt I'm going to wear today. Very cute and sweet. I like these spots in heart shape. What will be next? I think it will be this thing. Wings. Chicken wings, simple wings. So now I'm a fairy. Also, a fairy usually wearing this. It's a bit hard to keep it right on or hit all time because it's very painful. So I will take it off. After, I will put on my legs this. So it will look like that. Now I need to put another one. Do it the same way. The result is here. I hope you like how it looks like. So right after I will take on this cute socks. It's kind of weird socks, I would say. Right after I'll put this cute rings on my wrists. Very cute. And my pretty shoes. Snippet. For sure, Elfie ears. Already so cute. And this crown. And that's my FairyElfie outfit. I hope you like it. And right now I'm gonna go to the photoshoot outdoor, and I hope you will join to us to see how it's going from behind the scans. So here's location for first episode of photoshoot. That's me, FairyElfie. So first spot for photoshoot done. It's this bridge, under bridge, kitty. I just see it. By the way, while I had photoshoot, some people take pictures of me. It was very nice. Cute kitty. So another one's on. And me. And there were a kitty. It's very playful kitty. I thought he wants to show something, but he went to the bushes. It's Andrew. He's very sweat because it's about +30 and it's very, very hot. I hear him. Look! He in love with me! No, not with me, with Andrew. It's a very nice place. I like this atmosphere. By the way, there is a church. Oh, there is so good. That's so good in shadow because it's really very hot and sweaty. And I wanna drink water as crazy woman. So Andrew showed us there will be another photo zone. So be ready for a lot of content. Another one set made. This kitty can't stop staring at me. So now we are going to go to some gates because they are a beautiful view. Look, I have these signs on my forehead from this kitty. Yes, it's behind. he was followed us before, but now he just shown us the best way to go to this beautiful. So we have decided that we won't go into mountains because it's very hot, just super hot, very sweaty, and we will both die if we will go to the mountain. So we decided to use this photo shoot on mountain for another one outfit for day one. So this will be first part of the video, and stay tuned for a second one. Soon it will be there on YouTube, and besides it, the full version of the sets you can find on my Patreon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment this video and subscribe to me. Bye bye.